We're giving away 2 free stocks. 2. Claim 1, then you claim the second one if you help us get to 10,000 subscribers. What up? You got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk about how you can get 2 free stocks. Now, on our channel, we talk about personal finance and educate you on ways and things that can help you better your finances, better your credit, the whole 9 yards. If you have not already, check out some of the free value that we've already given in the past, and we've been doing it for a couple of years, and we're about to crank it up even more. So we're talking to the individual who is financially conscious and they know they want better, and we want to provide you with better by giving you free stocks, but we want you to help us get to 10,000 subscribers. And the value that you will receive on this channel by subscribing, or whoever else subscribes, is centered around financial literacy, better credit, less debt, more investments, more money, side stream incomes, all of that coming together to build wealth. See, it's all about you understanding that your money is going to make somebody else wealthy. The question is who? So on our channel, we encompass all of that from different angles, different perspectives. We speak a language that many people can relate to. We're not trying to sound all professional, suit and tie, and that's cool. But a lot of people need to hear from somebody that they can relate to, somebody they can connect to, somebody that they feel like, this person is a real person, because we really are. And so many times people get lost by trying to be something that they're not. I come here to be me wholeheartedly. And in the process of that, if you subscribe, you'll get good content, good value that I think will be beneficial to you. And if it's not beneficial to you, then share it with someone else you may know. So that being said, that's what this is all about. So what I need you to do is, for one, if you haven't already, subscribe, like this video. If you haven't already, go watch some other videos that fit you, like, subscribe, and share this channel with some group that you're in. So if you're on Facebook, take our channel, share it, or if you see a video that connects, share it inside of a group. If you're, however you can assist, we appreciate you. For everyone who watches this video, just for watching this video, you can get access to the 2 stocks. But if you go the extra mile and you share it, then we greatly appreciate it. There's no way of us just being able to tell who did what, so we're not going to put any stipulations to it. You get 2 free stocks, period, just for watching this video. But we really want you to help us get to 10,000. Right now, at the time of this recording, we're about at 1,700. Maybe closer to 1,800. I think it's like 1,720. Who cares? But 10,000 seems far away. But I feel like the community can make it happen. So get us to 10,000 subscribers. Get your 2 free stocks. All you got to do is click that link below. You'll get access to it. It said, basically bit.ly/2 stocks free. bit.ly/2 stocks free. I said bit.ly/2 stocks free. That's right. bit.ly/2 stocks free. I can't help it. I rhyme sometimes. I rap. So that came out of me. But anyway, go ahead and claim your free stocks. Subscribe, like this channel, share it with some other people that you feel may benefit. We also have one thing that you can share, and I'll go ahead and conclude with this because I don't want this video to be too long. But a lot of people can benefit from credit and credit education. We have a playlist that's basically a 5-day credit challenge, or a how-to credit playlist. I'm gonna link that down below. Share that in some groups. I think that'll help you give value and give them a reason to come subscribe to our channel. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that playlist below that shows people the steps required to better their credit, and it breaks it down in a way that they're able to take some action. And even if they don't hire us to fix their credit, or even if they don't buy our step-by-step simple DIY system that shows them how to fix their own credit, the fact that they got value off of our video is priceless to us. So claim your free stocks, then grab that other link. Watch it for yourself. You may get some value out of it yourself, but share it with some others who you feel may benefit, and help get us to 10,000 subscribers. And I think we can do it in a lightning speed time. So that's all I got. Literally, grab your 2 stocks, share that link below it that I'm going to provide, and I salute you until the next video. Mr. Smith signing out.